to use Artisly AI. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Artisly AI. Artisly AI is all-in-one AI design tool that turns text prompts into images, offering features like an AI designer background remover, image upscaling, consistent character creator, and logo maker. Designed for creators like marketers, bloggers, and designers. Its aim is to simplify the process of generating various viral virtual from getting material and t-shirt makeup to logo and personalized storybooks, all without needing advanced graphic design skills. So when you log into Artisly AI, this is a dashboard here. You have two options to choose your designer: advanced AI designer and fast AI designer. Fast AI designer is mostly what I use or what I choose because you get all these options here that you can use depending on what you want to create or what you want to do. So here it says create form prompt, version 4 image designer, artistic designer, logo. All these options that are here, you can choose any one of them. Let's say we want to create t-shirt or social media post or poster. Let's say we want to create t-shirt. You click here. These are all the options for t-shirt designs that Artisly AI community creates their designs that you can use. They have so many pages as you click different t-shirt designs. And if you want to do logo, you click on the logo section and you get all these logos too that you can redesign. So as you can see, and the animals too, okay, it says animal cooking, animal traveling. You have all those options here, and cards and invitation or cards and invites. Okay, wedding invitation. These are all the options here too. And if you want to do AI design agent, you click on here too. It says clip art, coloring page, t-shirt designs, and as you can see, we have all these options here. So let's say I want to do YouTube thumbnail. You have two options: create a thumbnail, video to thumbnail. Video to thumbnail is mostly what I use in case I want to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video. Once you click on it, you get the option to put the video URL, which will go in and get the title to create a thumbnail for you. So this is some of the options. And consistent character, storybook. You can create storybooks with Artisly AI, case storybooks. Sometimes I use it to create a story for my two boys with their names. So once they're reading it, for them they think it's so cool that they can have their own story, which they help me to create for them. And personal storybook, pet portraits, you can just type in the pet that, or if you want them to, like your pet, you want them to look like a cane, you can do that here. Book covers, okay, title, books. So as you can see, Artisly AI got so many options, and you can just go on and on and on. When you come here to AI design assistant, It says mockup creator, which is for t-shirt, product photos, character creator, AI portraits, AI upscale photo editors. So as you can see, once you log in, you have so many options, and we can keep going. Realistic images. When you come here, consistent characters too, that's what you get. AI art illustrator. These are the options too. It's like plenty of options. You can do this here to create something for your case, for them to color. You enter a prompt here, they can have something that they can color. So guys, as you can see, Artisly have so many options. So this is how to use Artisly AI. It's basically like Mid Journey. So thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. And I'll be leaving the link in case you want to try Artisly AI. I'll be leaving the link below. Thanks for watching this video.